Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your searches by brand in AliExpress. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just search up something in the search bar, like shoes for example. And after that, you can just press on brand up there. And you will be able to filter your searches by brand like this. You can see all these kind of different brands, and you can just pick one that you like and check out the details about the item, the price and everything. And if you are interested, you can just add it to your cart or to your wish list. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.